In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chart in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a workspace, add a new view to your board, and turn your data into a clear, customizable chart that highlights the insights you care about. First, open any workspace that contains the board you want to visualize. A workspace is the broader container for your boards and folders, so choose one that holds the project or process you're tracking. If you manage multiple teams or departments, make sure you're in the workspace where the relevant board lives, and that the board has the columns you want to analyze, like status, people, date, or numbers. The chart view is especially useful if your board includes structured fields, such as statuses for stages, owners for workload, and numeric columns for totals, budgets, or counts. Next, click Add View from the top area of your board. This is where Monday.com lets you switch between different perspectives on the same data, like table, Kanban, calendar, dashboard widgets, and more. If your screen is narrow, the Views bar might collapse, so try widening your window to reveal the Add View option. Adding a view doesn't change your items. It simply gives you another lens to understand them, which is perfect for reporting and team updates. Now, click on Chart. This opens the chart view and brings up a configuration panel where you can shape what the chart displays. You'll typically pick a chart type, choose how to group your data, and decide what to measure. For example, grouping by a status column shows how many items are in each stage, while grouping by people reveals workload by assignee. If you have a numbers column, you can sum or average values to track totals or performance over time. For date-based insights, many chart types let you bucket by week or month, which helps smooth out daily noise and reveal trends. Colors are usually tied to status labels, making it easy to scan progress at a glance. If your board contains subitems or multiple groups, the chart view can aggregate across them, but cleaner data produces cleaner visuals. Consider standardizing labels in your status columns and avoiding empty rows so your chart remains uncluttered. Filters in the view help you narrow the focus, say to a specific team, time frame, or priority, without altering the underlying board. That's it. Open a workspace, add a view, and choose Chart. From there, the configuration panel guides you to a polished visual that turns raw board data into actionable insight. Explore a few combinations, and you'll quickly find the chart that tells your team's story best.